Want flawless skin in just a few clicks? In this video, I'll show you how to magically erase pimples and perfect your face. No skills needed. Stick around to see the stunning before and after, and don't forget to subscribe to Bestaphic and click that bell icon so you never miss our next photo editing secrets. All right, friends, we're going to the website aies.ai. In the Retouch Skin section, we want to perform a face retouch. The photo I have in mind is something like this one, where the face has pimples, and I want these pimples removed and a complete face retouch done. What should we do? We drag and drop this photo into that section, and the website itself, in its Retouch Skin part, will handle the retouch processing for us. For the first time, it automatically does the face retouch for us. We wait for the initial face retouch processing to complete. As you can see, the face retouch has been done for us automatically. Now, we notice that, for example, here and in these areas, there are still pimple marks, and we want them smoothed out. What should we do about these spots? What we do is go to the manual section, then to the brush part, and we brush over these areas. That means we hold down the left click on the brush we want and drag it, and these areas get selected in blue. We selected these spots because we want to remove the pimple marks, and then we click Retouch again to have the face retouch done once more. We wait for the retouch to process again, until it gives us the retouch we want. Just make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you'll be notified about our upcoming video releases. All right, as you can see how well and perfectly it did this retouch for us. Now we want to download this photo of ours. In this section, you click on Download, which is in blue, and then we click on Download Current Image to download it. Before, after. Before, after. See how beautifully it did this for us. See how well it performed this task for us and managed to remove all these pimples for us. We've also previously uploaded a video on the channel called How to Remove Objects from Photo with AI, meaning you can remove the object you want using AI, and with just 3 minutes of watching that video, you can fully learn this tutorial and apply it to your projects. Plus, the next videos we've recorded for you and uploaded to the Bestaphic channel. The same channel where you're watching these videos include How to Remove Background from Photo for Free, No Photoshop Needed, and it's done entirely with AI, no Photoshop knowledge required, so you can remove the background of your photo too. In other words, you can watch this video you're currently seeing about face retouching, as well as the one on removing backgrounds, and also how to remove an object, all available on our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next videos, goodbye.